Is this the back fix of the future? Back pain is one of the most common health complaints in the world, affecting millions of people every year. From poor posture and sedentary lifestyles to injuries and aging, there are countless causes of back pain, and even more attempted solutions. But what if the future of back care didn't involve painkillers, surgeries, or endless physical therapy sessions? What if a new approach could offer lasting relief, faster recovery, and fewer side effects? Welcome to the era of high-tech, personalized back health, a potential back fix of the future. In recent years, innovations in health technology have opened doors to revolutionary treatment options. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of wearable devices designed to correct posture and monitor spinal alignment. These smart gadgets use real-time biofeedback to gently nudge you into better positions throughout the day. Whether you're sitting at a desk, walking, or exercising, they track your movements and send gentle alerts when your posture slips. Over time, this retrains your body and reduces strain on the spine, all without a single visit to the chiropractor. But wearables are just the beginning. Artificial intelligence is also making waves in the back health industry. New apps and platforms can analyze your movements and generate personalized exercise programs. These AI-powered programs adjust in real time, learning from your progress and even predicting when pain might flare up. Combined with motion capture technology or smartphone cameras, these tools bring the expertise of a physical therapist into your living room. Another promising frontier is regenerative medicine. Treatments like platelet-rich plasma (PRP) injections and stem cell therapy are being used to repair damaged discs and tissues. Though still in the experimental phase for many applications, early results are encouraging. These therapies aim to stimulate the body's own healing processes, potentially reducing the need for invasive surgeries and long-term drug use. And let's not forget virtual reality (VR). Once thought of as just a gaming technology, VR is now being used in physical rehabilitation programs to reduce chronic back pain. Patients are immersed in guided movement sessions and calming environments that engage both body and mind. Research shows that VR can help distract the brain from pain signals and make rehab more engaging, which often leads to better results. So, is this the back fix of the future? Possibly. While traditional treatments like physical therapy and chiropractic care remain valuable, these new technologies could transform the way we approach spinal health. Instead of reacting to pain after it happens, we might soon prevent it altogether. With smarter tools, faster diagnostics, and more targeted care. As these innovations become more affordable and accessible, it's likely we'll see a shift from reactive to proactive care, whether it's a smart shirt. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.